To delete a DNS record in GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all your domains. Click on the domain for which you want to delete the DNS record. In the Domain Manager section, click on the DNS tab. This will take you to the DNS Manager page where you can view and manage all your DNS records. The DNS Manager page is divided into different sections for different types of DNS records, such as A records, CNAME records, MX records, and TXT records. To delete a DNS record, locate the record you want to delete in the relevant section, and click on the three-dot icon next to it. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Delete. You will be asked to confirm if you want to delete the record. Click on Delete to confirm. Alternatively, you can also delete multiple DNS records at once by selecting the checkbox next to each record you want to delete, and then clicking on the Delete button at the top of the page. This will delete all the selected records. It is essential to be cautious when deleting DNS records, as it can affect the functionality of your website or email services. Make sure you have a backup of your DNS records before making any changes. And test your website and email services after deleting a record to ensure they are working correctly. In addition to deleting DNS records, it is also important to regularly review and update your DNS records to ensure they are accurate and up to date. This will help prevent any issues with your website or email services and ensure they are running smoothly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can easily delete a DNS record in GoDaddy and manage your DNS settings to ensure your online presence is always available and running smoothly.